Hi, I'm Sam Heilbronner, VRF Manager with Hitachi VRF Systems, back talking about the changeover box and the importance of redundancy within your system. We got the 4-port model here. More prevalent within the field are 8 and 12-port models. I always highly recommend designing some sort of redundancy, and what I mean by redundancy is designing at a minimum 1 spare port that's unused on your box. I like to see 2, possibly even 3. This will give your end user and the installing contractor flexibility for if there is an issue with an EEV or a bad stepper motor. In the event that you don't have a spare port, I want to show you guys how easy Hitachi makes servicing and activating each port on this COB. All right, now we're looking at the interior of the COB. As you can see, this is our EEV field. So this will control the refrigerant flow to each port, like so. And it's pretty basic from here. We have our EEV stepper motor. In the event that you need to service one of these, you just simply turn it to the left, pop it off, and replace it. With the mechanical valve, you'll actually need to have that spare port design, which is why I say it's so critical to give your end user and your contractor a couple spare ports to work with. We're now looking at the electrical cabinet of the changeover box. Just 2 Phillips head screws to access this, makes it really easy. You won't really need to do anything in here. There'll be some control wiring to accomplish, but from a physical setting, there's no addressing to do. The one thing you might need to do is activate these ports down to your fan coils here. So like I said before, if you're doing a good design and you have a spare port, you simply turn that port off by flipping dip switch DSW2 up. If you need to change that port activation, say there's an issue with port 2, we're going to turn that one off and now energize our spare port over there. If you like this video, please give this video a like, and please go follow our company page on linkedin.com.